welcome on my channel. Today we are going to test teeth whitening kit. Made by Carefar. They sent me free sample. They want me to test, complete the treatment and leave honest review end of the video. I believe this one 7-day treatment. We will open box, see what is inside. So we'll see how this kit works. I have a used teeth whitening kit long time ago, didn't work for me, so I stopped using. So today I have a chance. We will open box, read all the instructions, how to use, that's really important, and see how many days to complete the treatment, and we will complete their whole treatment and we will see result. Now let's open box. Made by Carefar. It's a alcohol-free teeth whitening kit. So there's a couple instructions you can read, but I will show on video and we will keep talking all the instructions. First, you see we got a pen. It have a gel inside. 2, compare your teeth before and after. Instruction manual, really important, you have to read. These are strips we're gonna apply on the teeth. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7-day treatment. It have 2 strips inside for the top and the bottom teeth. So now it will take 7 days to complete starting today. After 7 days we will complete this video. Strip, you have to rip from here. 2 strips inside from the top at the bottom teeth. You have a gel pen. It's really hard to open. You open, you will see to apply gel at the bottom. You have to twist only one way, so gel will come out. First, I have a gel. If I didn't feel any, I will twist a little bit more. So we will apply gel on the teeth. Then we will apply our strip. Let's compare my teeth first. So we're gonna mark on 5 and 6, just remember, and we're gonna start using today. Then end of the video is supposed to move to either 3, 2, 1, see how better this is gonna work. Another thing, they say before you use this one, you have to floss and brush your teeth. I have it done already. I'm going to start applying right now. So I have an open strip already here. You're gonna keep it here. You can see this one from the top, this one from the bottom. So what we're gonna do, I have to see in a mirror too. We're gonna use this gel pen. If I need a more gel, I will twist, and I'm gonna apply on my top teeth first. Okay. Okay, top one is done. I'm gonna do same thing for the bottom one. Perfect. I have a little hard time to speak. My mouth is watering. So we'll come back in 25 or 30 minutes. And I'm gonna keep doing this one almost every day for 7 days. After that, we will compare our teeth again. So it's already 25-30 minutes. This took really good. Only one thing, like my mouth was getting watering. You're gonna come up like this. You can hear how hard it stick. The first day, I'm gonna start using every day. After 7 days, we will finish the treatment and see how it's working for my teeth. So today we have a completed 7-day treatment with the Carefar teeth whitening kit, and today is the time to show result. I have a teeth testing paper here. I will leave front of my teeth and we will see in video which number I went, but when we started I was on number 6. Before we do this one, I just want to mention a couple things you need to keep in mind. They say do not keep more than 1 hour those strips when you apply. If your teeth are sensitive, so do not keep more than 45 minutes. That's I have tested. So just only 45 minutes or less. If not sensitive, you can keep maybe around 1 hour, but not more than 1 hour. Second thing, if you applying paste or gel, do not apply too much. If you apply too much, then your strip gonna keep shifting. One day that happened, next day I came back to less paste. Now time to show the result. I turned off all the artificial light. That's only the light in my house. I have no light or any makeup thing. So let's see. So hopefully you guys see the result. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.